Palen Maligon with honors. He is the son of Mr. Roselo Gato Maligon and Rowena Palen Maligon. Don't be afraid to try and fail, as they say. That is why he idolizes Stephen McCreary. The famous line, "The master has failed more times than the beginner has ever tried." Andrew Diaz Poro with honors. He is the son of Mr. Antonio Gordo Poro and Mrs. Joseca Diaz Poro. Do today what others want and achieve tomorrow what others can't, by Jerry Rice. In short, extraordinary results call for extraordinary effort. Liam Rin G. Poro. Marvin John C. Puro. John Kent S. Roble. Fatima G. Godis. With high honors. She is the daughter of Mr. Ramel Palen Iscoro and Janet Godis Iscoro. There is no substitute for taking action. That is why she agrees with Estee Lauder. I never dreamed about success. I worked for it. Cyrene Gordo with honors. She is the daughter of Merlin Gola Gordo and believes with Robert Kiyosaki's quote, "Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. Therefore, feel the fear and do it anyway." Kate Thailand Gozo with honors. She is the daughter of Mr. Richard Pizon Gozo and Mrs. Velma Thailand Gozo, and goes with the saying of George S. Patton, "Success is how high you bounce when you hit his bottom." In short, resilience is the key. Leah L. Lavinia. Jehan Posa Palen with honors. She is the daughter of Mr. Randy Magadan Palen and Mrs. Isabel Posa Palen. According to Wilford Peterson, and she quote, "Success is focusing the full power of all you are on what you have a burning desire to achieve. In short, you've got to give it all." Casey Baloran Palen with honors. She is the daughter of Mr. Ryan Gozo Palen and Jusan Baloran Palen. Sometimes, you have to make sacrifices to succeed, and agrees to the famous line of John D. Rockefeller, "Don't be afraid to give up the good for the great." Joanne Kiliopi Simbahon with honors. She is the daughter of Honorable Gregorio Obor Simbahon and Mrs. Mary Ann Kiliope Simbahon. She believes that it's really smooth journey and goes with Billy Tomlin's quote, "The road to success is always under construction."